Welcome to this BoldDesk tutorial, where we introduce our Smart Auto Merge Tickets automation tool. This tool streamlines support operations by automatically detecting and combining related or duplicate tickets. When a user creates multiple tickets for the same issue, the app merges them into a single thread, resulting in a smooth, organized support experience. To get started, log into the BoldDesk portal as an administrator. Then navigate to the Admin Center and open the Marketplace page. Here, search for and select the Auto Merge Tickets app. Click Install to open the configuration window and enter the BoldDesk API key. For details on generating the BoldDesk API key, refer to the link in the description. Then click Verify and Save to complete the process. Next, to add the merging rules, click Manage and select the Add Merging Rule button to open the rule creation dialog. Provide a name for the rule and define the time frame, in hours, during which tickets from the same customer qualify as duplicates. Next, select the matching fields that will be used to identify duplicate tickets. Choose the target ticket status where merging is allowed. Additionally, you can define the conditions that must be met for merging to be triggered. Click Next to proceed. Select the source ticket to merge with and add a source ticket note that will be included in the merged tickets. You can enable this option to make the note visible to the customer, or it will be visible only to the agents. Additionally, you can add a target ticket note to the retained ticket to provide additional context. Mark this checkbox to make it public. Under the Additional Options section, you can include CCs from the source ticket to the target ticket. Include the source ticket link in the target ticket. You can also disable notifications for this merge by enabling this checkbox. Then choose whether to include the first or latest message from the source ticket in the target ticket and click Save to complete the configuration. Finally, let me show you how to manage merging rules in BoldDesk. To edit a rule, click the More Options icon next to the rule. Select Edit, modify the details, and click Save. Similarly, to deactivate a merging rule, choose Deactivate and confirm. The rule will be moved to the Inactive tab, where you can reactivate it by selecting Activate from the More Options menu. To delete a rule, select Delete and confirm the action. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. Thanks for watching.